5 Best Mop for Scrubbing Floors Reviews. Number 1. OCedar Grips Extendable Tub Scrubber. Deep cleaning. The tub and tile often need to be done regularly. The OCedar Grips will help you keep up with the challenge and clean them quite easily. The OCedar Scrubber is a great cleaning product which is made for a better cleaning experience. You don't need to scrub the floor vigorously or put much effort either. We all know the struggle of handling the scrubber. It gets quite annoying if it's wet. The steel-made wand has a non-slip grip, and it is so soft that you are not going to feel that the scrubber is hurting you. It is not slippery even if it is wet. The first noticeable thing about the OCedar Grips is its design. The triangular-shaped design is quite catchy. But not just that, it's quite handy for cleaning the corner of your bathtub quickly. There are plenty of tub scrubbers out there, but few of them work.
At OCedar, we want to help you keep every corner of your home sparkling clean. The unique shape of the tub and tile scrubber is perfect for that job. Cleaning the tub no longer has to be a pain in the knees. The extendable tub and tile scrubber helps you clean the bathroom from top to bottom without crouching, kneeling, or climbing. The scrubber extends from 26 inches to 42 inches with a quick twist, making it great for everything from floors and tubs to glass shower doors and tile walls. The antimicrobial scrubber head pivots for cleaning at different angles, and the unique shape makes it perfect for getting into corners and around the toilet. The lightweight steel pole is sturdy for tough scrubbing jobs, and the soft, comfortable grip is non-slip even when wet. The scrubber head is also replaceable. Here's a good tip. Think outside the bathroom. You can also use your scrubber to clean outdoors, from cleaning your siding to scrubbing your deck.
Number 2. Homitt Electric Cordless Spin Scrubber Mop. On the first impression, the machine may not seem like a much, but it does come with high power. The scrubber includes 3 different types of brush heads. You can wash your bathtub, shower or tiles-made floor well within just 20 minutes. Also, you need to charge it for 8 hours, and it will work for weeks with that charge. It has a spinning power of 260 RPM and the built-in 2150 mAh battery. So you might be able to guess its power. But surprisingly, it can work without making any disturbing noise at all. The replaceable brushes are specially made to make cleaning more comfortable. The round brush is for bathtub and sink. And the corner scrubber is for cleaning, well, the corners. You get an 18.5 inches extendable hand so you can use to adjust it to your height. Number 3. Bissell Spinwave Cordless Scrubbing Mop. Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Mop is an excellent mop. If you are someone who hates mopping, it can quickly reduce the hassle of mopping your floor. Well, firstly, you won't need to push it hard at all, so no extra energy will be required. It is effortless to use. You will get 2 buttons for on/off and 1 for spraying on the floor. The spray that comes with it cleans the dirt and germs up 99% as well. The handle has a spray trigger so you can control the amount of spray you are putting into. It creates a lot of permanent waste on the earth. But here you can save a little money and health of earth by using washable and dry-able cloths that come with it. 18V lithium battery gives the amazing pleasure of not have to carry around the cords for 20 minutes at a stretch. Bissell Spinwave cordless hard floor mop is surprisingly lightweight. It makes the cleaning task like a piece of cake. Number 4. OCedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. If you are fed up with the plastic-made spray mops, then OCedar can change your perception. As sometimes leaving the floor wet can damage the floor, as we all know. OCedar ProMist is perfect for cleaning without being soaking wet. It works without as efficiently batteries as well. Also, you can use the mist to control how much you are spraying. It gives you freedom of using your preferred cleaning solution. Just spray and mop as you want. The dual-sided mop is pretty large to cover a big area. It can clean a big house quite fast. There is no need to change the mopping pad, so no time is needed to waste as well. If you want, you can give the floor a good dusting with the dry, as you can use it dry or wet as you want to. So you can clean out the dust and leave the mopping for another day. Number 5. Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. Last but not the least, Steam Mop from Bissell can clean up any dried mess. That's why it caught my attention. The price is also not overwhelming compared to what it offers to customers. There is a combination of convenient feature in this mop, like removable tank, adjustable steam level, and the quick heat up time. Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop does not create too much steam or too little to even clean up the mess. The steam cleaner produces the highest average temperature than other steam mops. There will be no germs and gunk left after you are done the cleaning. It only 6 pounds and quite easy to assemble and use. The smaller tank let the steam work fine. Refilling the mop is no big deal, so you can stop and refill any time while cleaning. It will help you do a better clean than soap. Chemical soaps are not exactly the best for the environment.